Morning students. So let us solve the seventh problem. It is log x to the power x plus x to the power log x. So I have considered this as y. So now see here, let u which is equal to log x to the power x. So I am considering this as u and x to the power log x as v, and v which is equal to x to the power log x. So now let us rewrite this now. Therefore y which is equal to u plus v. Y which is equal to u plus v. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x now. So differentiating with respect to x. So we get dy by dx which is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. I call this as equation number 1. So now we have to go for du by dx. In order to get du by dx, we have to consider u which is equal to log x to the power x. So let us do that now. So let u which is equal to log x to the power x. So now let us take log on both the sides. So take log on both sides. So this becomes log u which is equal to log, write this term as it is, log x to the power x. Now see here, it is in the form log x to the power n. What is log x to the power n? It is n times log x. So log u which is equal to, now this comes in the beginning, x times log of log x. X times log of log x. Now we have to differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So what is the derivative of log u? It is 1 by u du by dx. 1 by u du by dx which is equal to, here we have to apply the product rule. Take the derivative of the first function, write the second one as it is. Derivative of x it is 1. I write the second function as it is 1 times log of log x. Log x plus it is u dash v plus, now it is u v dash. So I write the first function as it is now, x as it is. Take the derivative of the second function. Log whatever is there inside the bracket, consider that as x now. That means it is in the form of log x. What is the derivative of log x? It is 1 by x. 1 divided by x means it is log x into d by dx of the inside function into d by dx of log x will give us 1 by x. So it is 1 by x. So here x and x get cancels. Let us write the remaining term. 1 by u du by dx which is equal to, so 1 into log of log x, it is log of log x. Log of log x, then plus it is 1 divided by log x. 1 divided by log x. So now in the next step we have to take up the LCM. That means log x will be multiplied with this particular term. At the same time I am going to take this u to the RHS, it goes to the numerator. So see here, du by dx which is equal to u times, inside the bracket, log x will be multiplied with this one now, log x into log of log x into log of log x plus 1 whole divided by, it is whole divided by log x. Whole divided by log x. Now, in the next step, we have to replace u. What is u here? It is log x to the power x. So let us do that in the next step. So du by dx which is equal to, let us replace u now, log x to the power x, write this as it is now, into the bracket log x into log of log x into log of log x plus 1 whole divided by log x, whole divided by log x, or else you can write the numerator as 1 plus log of log x, both are same. So now see here, du by dx, which is equal to, so see here, if you take log x to the numerator, it becomes log x to the power minus 1, log x to the power minus 1, and we have one more term here, log x to the power x, log x to the power x. So what happens now? A raised to m into a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m plus n. Powers will be added up now. So these two together can be written as log x to the power x minus 1. I hope you understand this step. So now inside the bracket is x minus 1 log x into log of log x into log of log x plus 1. So I call this as equation number 2. So we have got du by dx. Now we will have to calculate dv by dx. So let us go ahead with that. So here now v which is equal to x to the power log x. V which is equal to x to the power log x. Now take log on both sides. Take log on both sides. So log v which is equal to log of this particular term x to the power log x. So now it is in the form of log x to the power n. It becomes n times log x. So log v which is equal to, this term comes in the beginning, log x into log x. Log x into log x into log x. So now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. So what do we get now? It is 1 by v dv by dx, which is equal to, so again we have to apply product rule here, u into v. So take the derivative of the first function, it is 1 by x into log x plus, now write the first function as it is, log x into, take the derivative of the second function, it is again 1 by x, 1 divided by x. So since we don't have much space, pause the video to note it down, then we'll continue. So let us continue from this step now. Now see here, 1 by v dv by dx, which is equal to, see there, first one it is log x by x, log x divided by x plus, second term is also log x by x, log x divided by x. So now 1 by v dv by dx, which is equal to, you have the same denominator now, that means the LCM will be x and the numerators will be added up. So now log x plus log x divided by x. So now 1 by v dv by dx, log x plus log x will give us 2 log x divided by x. Now take v to the RHS, it goes to the numerator. dv by dx, now take v here. So v times this term, it is 2 log x divided by x. So let us replace v here. So dv by dx, which is equal to, so what is v here? V is nothing but, so once v is nothing but x to the power log x. So x to the power log x into this particular term as it is now, 2 log x divided by x. So now what will be the next step now? See here. Again you take x to the numerator, it becomes x to the power minus 1. If you take this to the numerator, see here, x to the power log x, you have in the numerator, into x to the power minus 1. What happens now? X to the power log x into x to the power minus 1 can be written as x to the power log x minus 1. So now let us continue with the next step. dv by dx, which is equal to x to the power log x minus 1 inside the bracket 2 times log x. So I call this as equation number 3. So now substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation number 1. So now see here, put 2 and 3 in 1. Put 2 and 3 in 1. So now dy by dx, which is equal to, so first we write the equation number 2. This is dy by dx, log x to the power x minus 1, to the power x minus 1 inside the bracket log x into log of log x plus 1. So this is the du by dx plus dv by dx plus this term of x to the power log x minus 1 into the bracket 2 times log x. So this is the final answer for the 7th problem. So pause the video to put it down. The next problem, it is 8th one. So I have considered this as y which is equal to sin x to the power x plus sin inverse root x. Now see here, now let u which is equal to sin x to the power x, then v which is equal to sin inverse root x, v which is equal to sin inverse root x. Let us rewrite this now. Therefore y which is equal to u plus v. Differentiate both the sides now. So differentiating with respect to x, what do we get now? dy by dx, which is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now I call this as equation number 1. So in order to get the dy by dx, we have to go for du by dx as well as dv by dx. So now see here, let u which is equal to sin x to the power x. Now take log on both the sides. So after taking log, x comes in the beginning, it becomes the first term. So now take log on both sides. So what do we get? So we get log u, which is equal to x into log sin x. Now let us differentiate with respect to x. To differentiate with respect to x, we get 1 by u du by dx, which is equal to, now we have to apply the product rule here. Take the derivative of the first function, it is 1 into log of sin x, 1 into log of sin x plus, write the first function as it is now, x as it is. Now take the derivative of the second function. D by dx of log of sin x will be 1 by sin x 1 by sin x into derivative of inside function, that is d by dx of sin x will give us cos x. So now 1 by u du by dx, which is equal to 1 into log of sin x will give us log of sin x plus x into cot x. Cos x divided by sin x will give us cot x. Now you take u to the RHS. du by dx, which is equal to u into, so I write this in the beginning, x into cot x plus log of sin x. Now replace u. What is u here? It is sin x to the power x. du by dx, which is equal to sin x to the power x into x into cot x plus log sin x plus log sin x. So I call this as equation number 2. Now we have to go for dv by dx. So in order to get this, let us consider this particular term. Now v which is equal to sin inverse root x. So now for this we don't have to take log on both sides. So we usually take log on both sides whenever it is function to the power function or multiplication of functions in the right hand side. So here we can differentiate this function directly. So now differentiate with respect to x. We get now differentiate v which is equal to sin inverse root x with respect to x. So we get dv by dx, which is equal to, so now we have to solve this by chain rule. What is the derivative of sin inverse x? 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square. So it is 1 divided by under root 1 minus x square. What is x here? It is root x, the square, into d by dx of root x, of the inside function. So see here square and root get cancelled. We get only x now. So here the next step it is dv by dx, which is equal to 1 divided by under root 1 minus x into the derivative of root x will give us 1 divided by 2 times root x. d by dx of root x will be 1 by 2 root x. So now dv by dx, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 into 2 I am writing in the beginning. Now these two are in the form of root a into root b. What is root a into root b? Root a into root b. This is equal to root ab. So we can write these two in the form of root ab. So under root x into 1 minus x. So now dv by dx, which is equal to 1 divided by 2 times under root x minus x square. Multiplying x inside the bracket. X into 1 it is x, minus x into x it is x square. So I call this as equation number 3. Now we have to substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation number 1 so that we get dy by dx. Put 2 and 3 in 1. Put 2 and 3 in 1. We get dy by dx, which is equal to du by dx. It is sin x to the power x. Inside the bracket x cot x plus log sin x. Inside the bracket x cot x plus plus log of sin x plus log of sin x. Now plus dv by dx. This we have to write now. 1 divided by 2 into under root x minus x square. X minus x square. So this is the final answer for the 8th problem. So pause the video to note it down.